Cruising has become incredibly popular. It's a fantastic way to see the world. With two main options, choosing between the Mediterranean and the Caribbean can be tough. Both offer incredible experiences. Let's dive into the unique appeals of each destination. We want to help you discover your perfect cruise adventure. Imagine waking up in a new port every day. Picture exploring ancient ruins and vibrant cities. Then, envision yourself relaxing on pristine beaches. This is the allure of cruising. Whether you yearn for the history and culture of the Mediterranean or the sun-drenched beauty of the Caribbean, a cruise caters to every travel desire. The Mediterranean Sea is a cradle of civilization, a place where ancient history and modern life blend seamlessly. It's a region steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty, offering a rich tapestry of experiences. A Mediterranean cruise takes you on a journey through time, where every port tells a story. Explore ancient Greek temples and Roman ruins, marveling at the architectural wonders of the past. Wander through charming medieval towns and bustling cosmopolitan cities, each with its own unique character. Each port offers a captivating glimpse into the past, with historical architecture that tells tales of bygone eras. The Mediterranean is a melting pot of cultures, where diverse traditions and customs come together. Each country boasts its own unique traditions, cuisine, and charm, making every visit a new adventure. Indulge in the flavors of Italy, with its delicious pasta and pizzas, a true culinary delight. Savor the spices of Morocco and lose yourself in the vibrant souks where every corner is filled with color and aroma. Experience the warmth of Spanish hospitality while enjoying tapas and flamenco dancing, a feast for the senses. The Mediterranean is also home to stunning natural landscapes, from rugged coastlines to serene beaches. Sail along the rugged coastline of Croatia, dotted with picturesque islands and crystal-clear waters. Explore the turquoise waters of the Greek islands, where myth and history intertwine, creating a magical experience. Relax on the sun-kissed beaches of the French Riviera, a playground for the rich and famous, where luxury meets natural beauty. The Caribbean is synonymous with paradise, a place where dreams of sun, sand, and endless blue come to life. Imagine pristine beaches with powdery white sand lapped by turquoise waters, stretching as far as the eye can see, inviting you to relax and unwind. Picture yourself snorkeling in vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, where every dive reveals a new world of colorful fish and intricate coral formations. The Caribbean is a dream destination for those seeking relaxation and natural beauty, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The Caribbean is a haven for beach lovers and water enthusiasts, with a plethora of activities to keep you entertained, from beach volleyball to jet skiing. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, and snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters, where the gentle waves and warm sun create the perfect backdrop for relaxation. Try your hand at windsurfing, kite surfing, or paddleboarding, and feel the thrill of gliding across the water with the wind in your hair. Embark on a scuba diving adventure to explore the underwater world of coral reefs, shipwrecks, and colorful fish, each dive offering a new and exciting discovery. The Caribbean islands offer a vibrant blend of cultures and histories, each island telling its own unique story through its people, traditions, and landmarks. Experience the infectious energy of Jamaica with its reggae music and jerk chicken, where the rhythm of the island will have you dancing and the flavors will tantalize your taste buds. Explore the colonial charm of Puerto Rico with its colorful buildings and cobblestone streets where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Discover the unique Creole culture of Martinique, a blend of French and Caribbean influences, where every corner offers a new cultural experience from the architecture to the cuisine. Choosing between a Mediterranean and a Caribbean cruise can be a delightful dilemma, filled with exciting possibilities and unique adventures. Both destinations offer incredible experiences, each with its own charm and allure. Consider your personal preferences and travel style when making your decision, as this will greatly enhance your overall experience. The Mediterranean is ideal for history buffs, culture enthusiasts, and those seeking a diverse and enriching experience with its ancient ruins, art, and architecture. The Caribbean, on the other hand, is perfect for beach lovers, water sports enthusiasts, and anyone looking for relaxation and natural beauty, with its pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. The Mediterranean offers warm, dry summers and mild winters, making it an ideal year-round destination for travelers seeking pleasant weather. The Caribbean, known for its tropical climate, is best visited during the dry season from December to April to avoid hurricane season and enjoy the best weather conditions. Both Mediterranean and Caribbean cruises offer unforgettable experiences. The Mediterranean will captivate you with its history, culture, and culinary delights. The Caribbean will enchant you with its sun-drenched beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Ultimately, the best cruise for you depends on your personal preferences and travel style. Do your research, explore the various itineraries, and choose the destination that speaks to your soul. Embark on your next sea adventure and create memories that will last a lifetime.